Okay, so tapos na tayong mag-wet market. Nandito ako sa LCC. Madami. We're going to the wine section. Tingnan natin kung... Excuse me. Ayan, here's the wine section. Naghahanap tayo ng red wine. Napasok sa budget. But quality. $316. Let's try if we still have enough. It seems I can have enough cash. Oh my god, they have Campbell's here as well. Campbell's. It is 126 pesos. $3. Expensive. $126 pesos for Campbell's. I can buy this for less than that there in the US. 126. Can you believe it? Campbell's cream of mushroom. They should have been selling this for 50 pesos. But anyway, well, the taxes are expensive too. And then we also have the ketchup. Nice, and it's 141 pesos. Because the reason why it's expensive is because of the taxes that they have paid probably. I think so. So I'm just gonna stick with the local brand, right? Ayan, they also have ready to cook Knorr soup. They have cream of mushroom, and then we also have the crab in corn. So I'm gonna try this one. Okay. 316 plus that. Let's see if my money is enough. 316 plus 58 plus 58. Oh, we have Americans here, I think. God, they have this 50% off. Ayan o. Ay, nakabili na ako. Ano? We're gonna change counter because there's looks like they have not a long line, but they have more items that they're checking out. And look behind me, there's foreigners. Here's the beauty of Luban. Okay.
May gusto ka na? May reward card po?
Mayroon. Of course, when you shop the LCC, don't forget your reward card. I don't know if I have it with me, but
370 naman.
look. SP. Pero yung tiro. Kulang.
372.
Ay, kasya man. Excuse me po. Ay, excuse me. Thank you.
Paper bag na yun, ha?
Paper bag lang. Pira na ang points ko.
60 na.
How much?
60.
Pesos? Pesos na yun.
Sa January 2027. Thank you.
Thank you. You get points. And the points is converted to peso. So, anyway, let's go home.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Okay. Sulat lang ha? Sulat lang. Yeah. Okay, we're going home. Thank you, Kuya. Oh my God, look, there's a lot of foreigners today. I don't know where they're from, but let's say we can say hi. Okay. Let's greet them.
Hey.
Hello.
I
There
was
you go.
right next to you.
Hi. Are you from the US? They are?
Yes.
Yeah, from which part of the US?
North Carolina.
North Carolina. I was from Minnesota and Florida.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Alright.
Are you here for vacation?
We're visiting family.
Okay. All right. Nice to meet you. Bye. Bye. So there's our from the US. They're from North Carolina. I don't know if they're lost, but they're on the phone. I don't want to invade their privacy. Okay. Okay, and here's that church. Okay. Whew. And here's my apple waiting for me. Okay. It's hot. Oh my god. I'm sweating. I have a million keys here with me. So this one is my Mazda key. I have it with me still. And what else? And this is my Mitsubishi key. Fearless. Okay. I got this from Toyota in Vergrove in Minnesota. Toyota in Vergrove. Hi. Okay, let's do it. Whew. Okay. All right, are you ready? I'm ready. Let's go home, shall we? Okay. I feel bad for our visitors. They don't look like they have guide. They're from North Carolina. I don't know if the woman is a local gobernador, but they're on the phone and it looks like they're lost. I don't know. I hope somebody will assist them or whatever. Because before we have, when we see a lot of foreigners from different country, we always say hi. We say hi, Joe. And it's like if you see a Mormons with their, polo shirt and their tie, when I was growing up, I would say hi, Joe. I don't know. It's like, those Americans from the US visiting the Philippines would say hi, Joe. All of them, we call them Joe. I don't know why. I don't know if it's a negative thing, but that's what I remember. I'm just being honest. But let's go home because I'm getting hungry. Whew. All right. Ayan. Oh my god, my phone. Hold on. Let me adjust my phone real quick. I have to buy something to hold my phone while I'm driving. Okay, I am blocking the way. Give me 1 minute here. I am blocking the way. Okay. It's not good to drive in. Maybe I'll put it here. Maybe I'll put it here. We'll see. We'll see how far it will take us. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, I have to turn up my phone because I don't have the proper phone holder, and we wanna be a safe driver as much as possible. But anyway, here's the beauty of Dubai once again. Happy Sunday. Thank you for going to the market with me, and mabuhay, and keep shining for Jesus. Chill, and I love you. Whew.